Yo, what up, shooters? Got the latest parts for the newest build. Got the A3Tactical. So you know what that means. No brace. Stop. Open this up, bad boy up. See what we got inside here. Here's my order number. My cheek riser. Oh, I gotta put that together. Oh yeah. The Picatinny mount. Push button, collapse. And the cheek riser is gonna go on top of that. Gotta mount that on top of there. Put that. Let's go ahead and get it. It comes with the mount itself, 3 adjustment shells, and then the pad on top. I'm gonna use all 3. It actually comes with M-lock nuts, so you can lock it onto the stock. There we go. This is actually the 8.625 length stock. So with the collapsible. Yeah, should be long enough. Look like I should have got, I think it was a 9-inch. But we're gonna run with it and see what it does. A3Tactical, appreciate you. All right, got this A3Tactical stock together. Just placing everything now, just make sure everything fits how I want it before I go back and put my Loctite on it. This is the 8.625 length stock with the push button, collapsible stock with the extra butt pad on it, thicker butt pad. So mag pull, you got the QD mount. I actually got another QD mount that came with it. This is the modular folding stock. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this back apart, put my Loctite on it. Yeah, about ready to mount it. Again, this is an A3Tactical. Appreciate y'all. Let's see how this bad boy hook up to this Scar15p. Yeah.